Welcome to TUI SUNEO Dunas. This is the reception, the beating heart of the hotel, where we deliver excellent service 7 days a week, always greeted with a beautiful Cape Verdean smile.
The reception is a unique space, open air, a spot for refreshments, and our TUI reps are here if you need any assistance.
This is Fogo, our main pool. The animation team can be found here for the daytime activities. This is Fogo Bar, where you can get your drinks and snacks as well. Our sal pool here, as you can see, plenty of space. To my right hand side here, our kids pool, our little pirate boat for the kids with a slide, some fountains for the kids to enjoy. And if you fancy a drink, follow me to the bar. At the back here we have our bar where you can get your soft drinks, beer, wine, coffee and tea. And right at the back we have our stage area where we have our shows every night of the week. It looks like it's the Samba show tonight. Let's check it out.
Our two-bedroom family room contains a double bed, a twin bedroom, and two separate bathrooms, one with ensuite and sleeps up to 4. The spacious one-bedroom family room features a lounge area, a double bed, a sofa bed, and sleeps up to 4.
This is our double room.
This room has a double bed, a sofa bed, and sleeps up to 3. All of our rooms come equipped with air conditioning, Wi-Fi, and tea and coffee making facilities.
Here we have the Waterpark, 6 slides, lots of fun for both kids and adults. Now let me pass you to Eli. I think he's heading to the playground.
I'm Eli, and we are going to check the almighty castle. So maybe if you're bored, you go to the castle, play for a little, even though you're never going to be bored in this hotel, you know what I mean? Wow. Thank you guys for joining me in TUI SUNEO Dunas. Catch you next time.
It's time to eat. Welcome to the buffet restaurant, where we have a good range of options for breakfast, lunch and dinner.
The buffet is air-conditioned with self-serve food and drinks. 3 times a week, we offer freshly made pastry, such as churros and donuts.
As well as inside, you have the option to sit outside here in our lovely terrace. We made it down to Gabi Beach Bar. It's absolutely my favorite place. Follow me for a drink. It's a hot one today. Gonna grab a cold drink. Obrigado. Let's check out the beach. Now we have reached the beach. This marks the end of our tour. I hope this has been helpful for you. We are looking forward to seeing you in Cape Verde. Obrigado.